Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Bowflex adjustable dumbbells. The Bowflex Select Tech 552 adjustable dumbbells were the clear overall winner of our test after completing a circuit of 3 lower body and 3 upper body strength training exercises, with their impressive weight range and ease of adjustment as the standout features. These adjustable dumbbells come fully assembled, but you'll need to use the included Allen wrench to unhook them from the strap that holds them in place upon arrival. The dumbbells adjust from 5 to 25 pounds in 2.5 pound increments and from 25 to 52.5 pounds in 5 pound increments, providing ample weights for a variety of total body exercises for both novice and advanced users. Although adjustable dumbbells are slightly larger than standard dumbbells, they retain the traditional dumbbell shape. You can now perform any traditional strength training exercise without changing your form. These dumbbells also received high marks for portability, grip, and storage, owing to the fact that they come with their own storage bases. Our testers did, however, find them to be slightly less durable than the other dumbbells on this list. When dropped on gym flooring, the dumbbells remained intact, but a small piece of one of the dumbbells chipped off when dropped on concrete flooring. Our second best adjustable dumbbells is PowerBlock Elite EXP adjustable dumbbells. This dumbbell set is engineered with a reliable build for years of use. Replace 16 pairs of dumbbells, equivalent to 825 pounds of free weights for an all-in-one strength training solution. Although these compact adjustable dumbbells do not resemble traditional dumbbells, they do provide 16 weights in one. The 5.5 by 11.75 by 6.25 inch dumbbells are without a doubt the most durable on this list. After dropping them on both foam flooring and concrete, our testers gave them a 5 out of 5 for durability, resulting in no damage to the dumbbells, not even minor scratches. Because these dumbbells crack the concrete, you should avoid dropping them on your floor. The dumbbells are adjustable in 2.5 pound increments from 5 to 50 pounds. Customers who want to lift heavier can purchase add-on weights that go up to 70 pounds or 90 pounds, both of which are sold separately thanks to the expandable stands on the dumbbells. Third in our list is Core Fitness adjustable dumbbell. The Core Home Fitness adjustable dumbbells were also rated 5 out of 5 in terms of adjustability. With a simple twist of the handles, they could easily adjust the weights from exercise to exercise. It adjusts in 2.5 pound increments up to 25 pounds and comes with 15 weights, whereas the Core Home Fitness dumbbells adjust in 5 pound increments and only come with 10 dumbbells. Our novice testers thought the 5 pound weight increase was difficult to build up to week after week, and they preferred slightly lower increment adjustments. Your purchase includes 1 Core Fitness adjustable dumbbell weight set 2 cradles and an exercise guide. Quick change weight adjustments with twist lock technology. Allows you to change weight setting with one hand. Set dumbbell in cradle, twist the handle and weight changes quickly and safely. Contoured, textured and soft grip handle design provides comfortable and secure grip control. Compact design allows you to store and use dumbbells anywhere while still getting the true dumbbell feel. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best adjustable dumbbells list is FLYBIRD Adjustable Dumbbell. If you need a single dumbbell to save space or because you're on a budget, the FLYBIRD Adjustable Dumbbell is a great, dependable option. With a quick turn of the handle, you can adjust the weight of the dumbbell from 5 to 25 pounds in 5-pound increments. Design and produce fitness equipment for 20 years. FLYBIRD strength equipment are designed with advice of professional coach, committed to meet your needs for diversified weight training. Only need one set of dumbbell space, you can have 5 sets of dumbbell training experience with 80% space saving. FLYBIRD Adjustable Dumbbell supports diverse strength training by changing different weights. Adjustment weights from 5 pounds to 25 pounds, even fitness beginners are very easy to use. It is a great choice for modify muscle lines and strong muscle fibers. One-handed operation design, convenient for fast changing dumbbells weight during training. Just turn the handle with one hand. FLYBIRD dumbbells can save your time of changing different weight with both hands. Enjoy the faster adjustment and gain better training efficient. Exclusive design of adjustment counterweight plate, simply adjust by holding the handle according to the weight you need, turn the pointer to the corresponding number to adjust. 8-lock structure design can ensure the weight plate won't fall off during exercise. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Keppi Adjustable Dumbbells. With Keppi's exclusive weight adjustment design, just turn the handle with one hand to adjust the weight of the dumbbells from 5 pounds to 25 pounds in 1 second. Enjoy more convenient adjustment experience and get better training efficiency. The newly designed weight dial system holds the dumbbell plates firmly on the handle through 8 locking grooves, ensuring the dumbbell set is firm and stable. This setup makes it stable and quiet during the movement, which brings a new daily workout experience. Weight plates are made entirely of silicon steel with an ergonomic anti-slip handle of aluminum alloy. It is combined with a clicking sound when adjusting weight, making dumbbells more durable, reliable, and safer during use. The unique locking system attaches the dumbbells to the handlebar through a lock slot. Adjustment can only be made when the dumbbells are properly placed on the tray. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!